Hi, and welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer. I'm going to show you the actions that I do with the simple song Dum Dum Dada. Now, there is a more complicated concert performance of this on YouTube. It's linked on my page at donnaandandy.com under camp songs. But I do a simpler version in my classroom, and I'm going to show that to you in case you want to do the simpler one somewhere because you're not in concert somewhere. The actions are to start with hands flat on your knees, and you're going to do two of those, so I call those doubles. Two on your lap, two on your shoulder. Then switch and do the same thing on the other side. Two on your lap, two on your shoulder. Now do singles, lap, shoulder, and finish off with lap, cross, lap, snap. That's the first half. Second half is wipe, wipe, elbow, elbow, lean, return, rainbow, rainbow, and rest. Okay, it fits like this. So you have ready, here we go. Dum dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum da dum 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 da 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 dum dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum da dum dum again dum dum da 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 dum dum singles a dum dum da da and cross da dum 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 wipe and elbows and dum dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum da dum dum. I've got a piano version played in, so we'll do with the piano. The first one's going to be very slow, and then I'll try to speed it up as we go and see how that works. Are you ready? Two, ready, here we go. And doubles, da 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 dum dum da da, singles, dum da 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 dum 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 da 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 dum dum da 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 dum dum. Let's do that again at that speed. And doubles, dum da 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 dum dum da da, singles, dum dum da 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 dum, then cross, dum, snap. Dum dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum, a little faster, dum dum da 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 dum dum da da da, singles, dum da 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 dum da dum 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 da 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 dum dum da 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 dum dum da da, and rest a little faster, dum dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum dum da da. I've written the melody line of Dum Dum Dada out and included in my action songs in the Donna Rhodenizer's Camp Song collection that you can find at donnaandandy.com. And you can join a second video that I'm going to have posted here that is just the song part without the tutorial and the explanation. So if you just want to snap that on and say, hey, can we do this after you've had a little bit of practice, that might work for you in your classroom. Have a great day making music, and make music a great part of your day.